we have the problem. A lot of people love to jump up and say, oh, you can't compare pay in America versus pay in Jamaica and so on and so forth, and that the cost of living in America is higher and whatever. The cost of living in America may be higher, yes, but the disposable, first of all, incomes are higher. A typical nurse in America earn anywhere at a start level between 60 to 70,000 US dollars a year. No nurse in Jamaica now make them the kind of money, right? So how are you gonna get them to pull up stumps and come back? A whole heap of things have to change in Jamaica. The environment is not the safest of environment. Yes, we have nixed the homicide rates in Jamaica, certainly over the last year, but it has created a different set of problems because we now have on our hands, instead of policing that is about protecting the citizenry, more people are afraid now of the police than they are of criminals.